Hi there, this is Phil Pendlebury and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of my Project Folder Assistant application. First of all, I'm going to tell you what it does. Well, let's imagine we have a set of projects which most people do working in the digital audio industry or film, movies, etc. You might have a subgroup of projects, let's call it group of projects like we have here, with some individual projects inside it. And quite often we'll need to create folders inside those projects. So for example, let's say inside the Quiet project, you might have a standard set of folders that you always use. And here we are, I can show you mine. This is my basic set. So I would always make a subfolder called Media, and then inside I would place all these other folders. I just find it useful to keep things categorized. So that's really the main feature of the application, is being able to create these subfolders. But to be able to do them in bulk and to be able to do them automatically. Also, there's another feature which we'll get to in a minute, which involves moving files into other folders. So first of all, let's just do a basic operation. So I've got this Quiet project here. There's nothing in it. Normally there would be a Cubase project or a Logic project or whatever. But even before I'm going to start the project, I'm going to select it here. So we'll find it. There we are, group of projects, Quiet project, and that's now selected. Now let's say I'm doing the Grammy folder structure, which is huge, and that's just an edited version as well, I believe. You can make your own, of course, with this, and we'll get to that in a second. So I want to create all these folders inside the Quiet project folder here. I've selected it, and that's it. Go. As you can see, all done. Client folder, artist, project, and so on. All the different folders that are specified here. Okay, so this time what I want is, okay, so I always use this same template, right? So why would I have to do that individually for each project? And that's what this button does here. So we go back to the actual overall group, which is there. Group of projects, which contains all these projects, and we'll select this button, create in subfolders instead. And basically what will happen now is it'll create all these folders inside all of these folders. And it says for one level, which of course means that it won't, create them any further than that. So if you have other folders already inside there, it won't touch those. We're only looking at the first level. So press go, and you can see a bit of activity there. 26 folders created, and if we now look, you can see that all those projects have the relevant folders in them. So you notice that many audio applications will create other files that kind of get in the way sometimes. So what I've done is I've created another area of this program that will enable you to move files. So for instance, move backups. And you can see that because it has the title move, my program knows that it has to move instead of create. And then the way that this works is that the file extension is written there, BAK, and then there's a colon, and then project backups will be the title of the folder created. So let's just do that. We'll do that for the group of projects Acoustic G only. Okay, so that you can see there that all the project backup files have gone and they've been moved into a subfolder called Project Backups. Likewise, if we choose Group of Projects and click this button, it'll do the same for every folder in that area. And also you can add multiples here. So you can add, this is for Cubase, VMX, CSH, and MRK files. You can add any type of files you like with the file extension and the folder, and the program will move any of those files that it finds into a folder named that. If it doesn't find any, it won't make the folder. So the other thing is you can edit the INI file, which will help you this is where you make your presets and all that thing. So have a closer look at that once you've downloaded the application. All right, I think that'll do for now. Thanks a lot, and hope you enjoy using it. Bye for now.